iced tea, we need 1 cup of jaggery, 3 spoons of tea leaves, around half a cup of mango pulp, 1 cup of watermelon pulp, 2 squeezed lemon juice,
few chopped mint leaves for garnishing.
In a vessel, we will take 2 bottles of water, add leaves to it, add jaggery to it, keep stirring it until it is boiled, completely boiled, and nice fragrance comes out. You can see that here it has come to a boiling point, and in this recipe we have used jaggery because jaggery has far more health benefits over sugar. It aids in, it has many antioxidants, it has minerals, it fights aging, and it aids in acidity. Okay, so now turn off the flame and let the mixture cool for half an hour. Mixture is being cooled down. I am straining my mixture. Add few lime juice. Adding few chopped mint leaves. You can also add more mint leaves if you like the taste. We are moving to the next flavor of our iced tea. Again, I am straining the mixture, adding few chopped mint leaves. I am adding all the pulp of the mango. So now our mango iced tea is also ready. Our third and last variety of the iced tea. I am straining the mixture again, adding mint leaves. Guys, you can make as many flavors as you can. Here I am adding watermelon juice.